Hey, good morning. This is Casey Cooper at Next Owner Automotive in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I'm showing you a 2019 BMW X3. It's got white with tan interior. I'll kind of walk around and point out any damage that I may see. That'll be where we kind of start, and then we'll take a look at the inside. This car runs and drives really well. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find a whole lot of damage on this car. It's in pretty good shape. A lot of times you'll see some damage, kind of like, when I say damage, it's just scrapes and stuff. This is just dirt rubbing off of here. But this one even is clean on the back rail right there. Yeah, not a lot to show you as far as dings or dents, scratches. Power lift gate. We'll start back here. As you can see, it does not have the third row. Nice big storage area. There's your cargo slider that hooks into here, and you just pull it back and it hides. Power lift gate. Let's try to unlock it. Sorry for my finger in the way. It's got the weather mats down there, the rubber mats. Interior's in great shape. Don't really see any staining or anything. It's got the rear climate control back here. It does have the big panoramic sunroof. We'll open that up when we get on the other side. Very clean. We'll get the exact mileage here on this other side. $120 and some change. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, $120, $297. No lights on the dash. Let's see if we can get this off of the backup camera. Entertainment display. You can see it does have the navigation. I've got heated seats. Let me know if you have any other questions.